Yeah, I don't really know how to make an intro or a video, so I'm not. You can just skip around and watch whatever you want to. I don't really care. So I already have the radiator loosened up to give me more room to work with. I'm going to start by removing the bolt cover and the top two engine mounts on the left hand side. Now I'm installing a bit of all thread that runs through the frame. I'm still not sure how the washer setup's supposed to be, but this is just how I did it. Now I'm test fitting the cage to make sure there's enough exposed thread so I can secure a washer and nut so a bit of all thread outside of the cage. Now I'm installing the cage. The medium length black bolt goes on the front hole, and the shorter length silver bolt goes on the top hole. Put some Loctite on this nut, or else you're going to lose it the same way I did. Now you're basically going to repeat everything on the other side. I hope you enjoyed watching me fumble around with the ratchet for 5 minutes as if it's not my job. Goodbye.